You know what? If I'll cover the entire 100% syllabus of UGC NET examination, I'll be easily able to qualify UGC NET examination. The best strategy for completing the 100% syllabus is referring more and more books. There are certain myths that come across the mind of students while preparing for UGC NET examination. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nikita Sukhwani. I have qualified UGC NET examination in June 2025 with JRF AIR 16. I have also qualified SET examination and currently I am pursuing PhD. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about from myths to reality of UGC NET examination. And let's quickly get started with the video. The first and the foremost myth maybe majority of UGC NET aspirant have is that if they will prefer the same books and the same coaching or the same YouTube videos or platforms which a topper has referred to, then they will be able to qualify UGC NET examination. So after qualifying, there were certain students that I came across and I was in connection with, and they referred to me and they asked that how did you qualify UGC NET examination with JRF and all that of things. So when I started discussing about the things that I had done or what were my strategies, I realized that somewhere they were very least interested in the strategies or time management. They were not interested in that. They were only interested in the books that I had referred and the YouTube videos or the platforms or the coaching centers that I had referred to for qualifying UGC NET examination. And somewhere I realized that this is one of the biggest mistake that any student can do, because when I was preparing for UGC NET examination, there were students who had been appearing for UGC NET examination from a certain time period, like they had appeared for 2 or 3 times before me. And when I started preparing, I referred to them and that what are the books that I should refer to, what are the YouTube videos that I can go, I can get good quality of education or good quality of material. So they referred to me certain YouTube platforms, certain books. Now my strategy from day one was very clear that I would only prefer the YouTube videos which I can understand. There were certain YouTube platforms that had many followers and that had many students and their content was also on top, but somewhere I wasn't able to relate with that, because every teacher has his own way of making you understand a certain thing. So you won't believe that the advice that was given to me was not helpful to me, because that was the kind of person or that was the kind of student that I am. Every student has different learning capability कि हर student जिस तरीके से और कोई भी topic को grab करता है और absorb करता है वो different होता है, हर student के लिए different है. Every student has their own mindset, उनका level of understanding. So एक teacher सारे students के लिए best होगा cannot be said. And along with that, the advice of the books that was given to me was somewhere helpful, and we will discuss this in a separate video that what were the YouTube platforms or the books that I had referred. What I am trying to say is that this is a myth कि जो टॉपर ने किया वहीं से आपका होगा, नहीं. Second number myth which students have is very common, which I also had, is I need to cover entire 100% syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2 to qualify UGC NET examination. Now why I am saying this is a myth? Because firstly तो ये possible नहीं है. For example, my paper 2 main core subject is commerce. So I have been studying commerce since my higher secondary, like 11th standard से I have been studying commerce. But even though to cover the entire syllabus till the UGC NET examination was difficult for me, even in my second trial. It was my second trial when I qualified NET JRF with All India rank 16. So even though till that point, मतलब imagine there were 12 months, but even though I wasn't able to cover the entire syllabus. So this is a myth कि आपको पूरा सिलेबस कवर करना है. एंड सेम गोज फॉर पेपर 1 कि आपको 10 यूनिट्स का एंटायर टॉपिक पढ़ने हैं, जितने भी टॉपिक्स आपने देखे हैं सब आपको रिफर करने हैं, सबको स्टडी करना है, रिवीजन करना है. फर्स्टली तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड सेकेंडली यू डू नॉट नीड टू डू सो. There are certain strategies, and I think I'll make a separate video on that regarding the syllabus and that thing. Now moving forward to the third myth that mostly students have is that more books is equal to more chances of qualifying, which is again wrong. See, if I say about myself, paper 1 के लिए I had only one book with me. There were no separate books. In that book there were all the 10 units. Though इस बुक में सारे जो न्यू टॉपिक्स आते हैं, बिकॉज एवरी ईयर यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन में देर आर सर्टन टॉपिक्स विच आर एडेड, देर आर सर्टन न्यू टॉपिक्स. सो इस बुक में सारे टॉपिक्स 10 यूनिट्स आई हैड, बट न्यू टॉपिक्स मेरे पास नहीं थे. सो आई डिड नॉट ऑर्डर्ड एनी सेपरेट बुक फॉर दैट. आई जस्ट प्रिफर्ड यूट्यूब वीडियोज फॉर दैट. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट पेपर 2 में ओनली रिफर्ड वन बुक विच हैड द entire syllabus of commerce subject. Now moving to the fourth myth that many students have, that there are certain trends that PYQs based questions आ रहे हैं. PYQ based questions है, I completely agree with that, but PYQ बेस्ड सेम क्वेश्चंस कभी आपको देखने नहीं मिलेंगे. बहुत रेयर चांस होगा जब आपको सेम क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिलेंगे, बट रादर जो टॉपिक जिसमें से वो क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं उसके रिलेटेड PYQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो अंडरस्टैंड कि PYQ से ये आपको नहीं समझना है कि क्वेश्चन क्या है, नहीं. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द कॉन्सेप्ट. पहली चीज तो वो व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. सेकेंड, कौन सा टॉपिक है, कौन से यूनिट का है, क्या ये यूनिट का टॉपिक बार बार आ रहा है एग्जाम में, तो उस टॉपिक को आपको स्टडी करना है. उस क्वेश्चन से आपका नेट क्वालिफाई होगा, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट मिथ दैट स्टूडेंट्स हैव इज दैट मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स ऑफ यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन is equal to more chances of success. Every year 2 times the exam is conducted. So students feel कि चलो जून में हमने एग्जाम दिया तो नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है, दिसंबर में दे दिया, दिसंबर वाला ट्रायल अगेन नहीं हुआ, 4 नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स, 5 नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स, ये नहीं हुआ. सो दे हैव दिस कंसेप्शन कि जितने ट्रायल्स इंक्रीज होंगे हमारे चांसेस ऑफ सक्सेस बढ़ जाएंगे. नहीं, एक ट्रायल के बाद योर चांसेस ऑफ सक्सेस विल ओनली इंक्रीज व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट आर योर मिस्टेक्स. इफ यू आर सीरियस अबाउट क्वालिफाइंग द एग्जामिनेशन तो यू नीड to understand कि आपने कहाँ गलतियाँ की थी in your first attempt. When you understand that, strategize your plan and make changes to that, तब जाके आपका नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्वालिफाई होगा. अटेम्प्ट दिया आपने, कुछ भी आपने चेंजेस नहीं किए, एग्जाम के 1 or 2 मंथ्स पहले प्रिपरेशन की आपने, तो ये नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल से अगर आप एग्जाम दे भी रहे हो, you won't be able to qualify it. So more number of trials is not equal to more chances of selection. It's based on my experience that I'm sharing with you, that these are all the myth, because I also had this myth carried forward from somebody and I had in my mind. Lately I realized that this is not the reality and I'm sharing with you. For more such videos, subscribe the channel and let me know in the comment section that what are the other content about UGC NET examination or about PhD you would like to refer. You can share my experience based on that. See you in the next video.